Morning guys, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. I figured today we would just like vlog, hang out. I have so much to do today. It's ridiculous. So got a nice coffee, just made a to-do list, did some emails, applied to some jobs. Typical morning here. It's Tuesday. I go back to work tomorrow. I have a really short work week this week. I work Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then I'm trying to take vacation on Saturday to go back up to the cottage, but we'll see. So it's a pretty short work week for me. It's kind of nice, but we have a ton to do today. Everything is like back in full swing here in Ottawa except for gyms. So today's gonna be a big errand running day. I have like a bunch of donations to drop off at like the secondhand store, and I have a ton of returns to do, but I had to wait for the stores to open because they're only stores that they have in the mall. So I have a bunch of running around to do today and just get that all over with because I just hate having clutter in the house. So we're gonna do that today. I have to do a post for a brand that I thought I'd bring you guys along for, and like planning that process. And just catching up on work emails because we were at the cottage Friday and Saturday, and then I was sick on Sunday, so I just have like a lot to catch up on. But yeah, I'm super excited about the day. I bring you guys along, we'll work out, clean up the house and stuff. And yeah, so it is currently 10. Nothing really opens till 11. They are all under reduced hours, so I'm probably just gonna relax for the next little bit, maybe watch a few YouTube videos, and then we will head out and do our errands. I'll go with you guys in a little bit, but I wanted to come on and say good morning, and I'll chat with you guys when we're probably heading out to go run all of our errands. Okay guys, out for the day before I leave for my errands. I gotta talk fast because the lighting ain't good. Aerie oversized boyfriend tee. Finally got my Aerie leggings in the mail. I'm so happy with them. They're the raw sienna print. You guys know I love them. And then I just have on my little, I don't know if you guys can tell, my little Lululemon bag. That's my little errand running outfit. Anyone else relate that it feels so good to like just get rid of like returns piling up? I don't know, am I the only one? Our spare closet was literally full of donations to give to Value Village and like returns I had to do, and I just feel so good now that it's all done. Like I just had to get it all over with, but I'm so excited. Today's been a great day so far. We have such a big like announcement coming. I can't wait to tell you guys, honestly. I'm literally shitting my pants. We're just trying to sort out the details right now, but I'm so excited to tell you guys. I don't know if you guys can guess what it is, but we have a big announcement coming. It's gonna change our lives, and I'm really excited. So now I'm gonna probably go treat myself to Starbucks. I need to pee really, really badly. And I just need to go to Value Village, and then we're probably gonna head home and just get some more stuff done. I don't think we need groceries or anything. Yeah, I think I might treat myself to a little cold brew, because you know I always do that when we run errands. I still have money in my Starbucks card. I don't know how. I actually think I have a free reward, so we might do that and then head home, and then I just have some stuff I need to do like for brands this afternoon. So got all my errands done. It took me 37 minutes. I'm so proud of myself. There was no lines, but it is weird though. The malls are just like total ghost towns. But that is that, and let's head home and I will update you guys maybe when we get our Starbucks. Hi there, can I just get a grande iced coffee with a nitro lid, black please?
Yeah, grande iced coffee black with a nitro lid.
Yes please. No thank you.
Come on down.
Look at how beautiful that is. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, I just got home from all my errand running. I stopped at Marshall's because I had to return some stuff, and I picked up a few things. I figured I'd show you guys, like, who can go into Marshall's and not buy stuff, you know? So it's currently 12:30. I'm gonna make some lunch and break my fast, and then I have some, like I said, content stuff to do this afternoon for a brand, take a post. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'll bring you guys behind the scenes on that, and then I just kind of want to like clean up the house a little bit and get ready because I go back to work tomorrow. Our Marshall's haul is super boring but necessary. I've been bringing salads to work and I hate bringing the whole bottle, so I've been looking for kind of one of these little like silicone ones, and I found one and I was so excited about it. It was only $3.99. It's just like a little portable silicone dressing container, which is awesome. And then I got some new tea towels, which are just these. They're super soft and they're bamboo. I love them. I love the color. I just want to have extra ones because we honestly only have these ones, and then when they're in the wash we have nothing. So I got these cute blue ones, which we're gonna put on. They're so soft. And then we've been wanting to get a full bathroom set, like a towel set, because the towels we have are from Matt's mom, which Matt took them when he moved out, but I wanted to get like a full neutral matching set. So we got this kind of beigeish gray color by the brand Common Thread. And Marshall's, the only way to buy towels is to buy a set, because otherwise there is like none of everything. So it was $30, which I think is a good price, and it came with 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths, and they're super soft. So we're gonna put those up in the bathroom and see how they look. But that's my little Marshall's haul. Not very exciting, and let's eat some lunch. salad, which probably looks so weird to you guys, but I honestly have just been trying to do salads and use what's left over in the fridge. So we had burgers left over from the cottage this weekend, and I'm on a huge balsamic kick right now. So it's just lettuce, celery, peppers, cheese, hamburger, balsamic, and a bit of Greek feta dressing. I don't know, it probably looks weird, but I think it's gonna be yummy. So I'm gonna do this and catch up on some emails, my iced coffee. So basically, you guys, super quick on something you guys love when I talk about like health and fitness on my channel. And honestly, this weekend at the cottage was pretty wild. You guys know Matt and I intermittent fast, and we decided for the weekend we wouldn't, just because we were gonna be eating breakfast with the family and stuff, and we would have kind of like a cheat weekend, because I don't remember the last time I had like even a cheat day, which I hate using the word cheat, but like having kind of like a free-for-all weekend. I feel like crap still, and it's literally Tuesday and we got back from the cottage Saturday. I just feel like crap. I'm so bloated, I'm breaking out. It's not a good time, but I just want to talk to you guys about getting on track, back on track. And there's nothing wrong with eating like crap for a day. There's nothing wrong with eating like crap for one meal. There's nothing wrong with anything. It's all in moderation. Did I gain weight from eating this weekend? No. Is it going to ruin my progress? No. I literally was just enjoying it. So when we go this weekend, I'm definitely going to kind of, one, either keep fasting, or two, just kind of fill my diet with a lot more fruits and veggies. But I'm just drinking a ton of water to flush it out, lemon water, and eating foods that my body is craving. So my body's been craving salads and veggies, so that's what I've been giving it. I'm not restricting myself. I'm not holding back. I'm not starving myself. I'm not crazy exercising. Like, I'm just getting back on track where I left off. So I wanted to touch base on that because I know it's like cottage season, and yeah. Guys, so I just did a little editing and I'm back, but if you guys didn't know, I'm doing a brand collaboration with Squish Cookies. They're like a local giant cookie company in Ottawa, which I talked about in my last vlog. So I have to do an Instagram post for them and an Instagram story. So I'll kind of show you guys the process of me thinking about that. I have a few ideas, but we're just gonna take photos and see kind of what works the best. Guys, I'll show you guys what they look like open after, but that's a Reese's one. That's a double chocolate Kit Kat peanut butter, and that's my favorite one. It's the white chocolate Ferrero Rocher. So good. But I have this little page on my Pinterest, and it's just kind of like inspo for like stories or sponsored content. I don't know, it just keeps me really inspired. So like this with the cookies in it, kind of like a little work from home get up with the cookies. So maybe we'll try that out and see what we think. Take a moment of appreciation for the fact that I literally just moved my whole coffee cart around to grab an Instagram photo, and moment of appreciation for this cookie before I eat it. See, life's about moderation. I'm gonna eat half this cookie right now and I'm not gonna feel guilty about it. To look through those pictures, see if I got a good one, but for now we have to clean the kitchen up because I kind of made it a disaster. We've got cookies that need to go away. We've got just a mess that we need to clean up. This is reality. So let's fix this situation. So I just spent a little bit just answering emails and editing, and then I think I'm going to just clean the fridge out and reorganize stuff. You just kind of like restocking stuff like that in the fridge, honestly. So that's what we're gonna do for the next little bit. Put on some music and clean. I just took a shower. As you can tell, I still hate vlogging with my hair wet. I don't know why, but Matt's sister-in-law makes a mean homemade hummus, and so I'm gonna try to make homemade hummus, except I don't have tahini, so we're gonna try and make do without it. But I found a recipe for homemade hummus without tahini, and I've been, like I said, you guys know, just trying to eat more clean products, and I love hummus, so I'm gonna make some homemade hummus and we're gonna see how that turns out. I'll leave the recipe down below for you guys. It's so simple. You just need chickpeas, water, olive oil, lemon juice, cumin, garlic, and salt. We have all that. You're supposed to just add to a food processor until it's creamy. So doing a taste test. This is what the hummus came out as. It looks so good, you guys. I'm telling you, ever since I moved out, I'm like all about making things at home myself. So I didn't have tahini though, which I found a recipe without it. It's super easy. And I have a pepper, and I'm literally just gonna rip a piece off so that we can try it. That's so good. You can like tell it's homemade. So good. Amazing. Now I gotta clean up and make my lunch for work tomorrow. But homemade hummus, success. Doing a workout, but I'm just gonna do it. I don't want to, but I want to close my loops. I'm on like a 10-day streak of closing my loops, and I don't want to give up now. So I got off my booty, just put a long line energy sports bra on, and I'm gonna try out these airy bike shorts and see if they work well working out. I know that these in the long version and they're amazing, so I hope the shorts stay up, but I'm just gonna do like a little HIIT workout and then maybe a little ab circuit and call it a day. Just something to get me moving and sweating. I took a shower already, but it's fine. So alrighty guys, so I just finished my workout. I'm super sweaty, so I'm gonna go honestly probably take a body shower and wipe my face down. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna end it here just because I'm gonna get ready for bed and go to work tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.